half-hour presentation of Catch the Turns Trading Platform, the CTT Trading Platform. My name is Joel Dollar. Thank you guys for joining me this morning. A few things we're going to go over is what our platform is all about, what we offer as a company, and things we can do to improve your trading. First thing you see is the CTT Trading Platform. Notice that we are trading the weekly into the daily into the 4-hour. What we do is we use multiple time frame analysis to help us assess possible trade setups with high probability. We're not trying to predict price movement. We're not trying to trade one time frame and getting a sell or buy signal. We're using technical analysis to see what the market is doing on a larger scale down to a finer scale. As we all know, the higher the time frames, the more respected the indicators become, and the more powerful those time frames become. So what you see in front of you is the position layout. The concept behind Catch the Turn is very simple. We trade deviation of price from value, and we can see that with our algorithm, the ocean. With the ocean, blue, red lines. The orange line outside our ocean is what we call our kill zone. This is when we can see price in our kill zone that we are looking for a pull back down, either pulling back in to start ranging or pulling back down to the red line, which is value. The ocean is our GPS. It's our guide on where value is heading. Price will tend to follow. Price is knocked in and out of line between value due to economic calendar news, financial transactions, and so forth. Things around the world that make the markets move constantly keep price and value out of line. When price becomes in line with value, it's very happy, and we see it just barely move. We see it either move or range. So the concept on the position chart is very simple. When you position trade, you can be very methodical on your entries, and you can take all the time you want to enter. You can plan your trade and trade your plan. So we offer two basic layouts to choose from for trading position, or two basic styles. You can trade off the weekly using the daily as your entry, meaning you can trade holding from deviation point down to deviation point, holding streets, using your daily as a guide to leg you into the trade. For those of you who want a little bit quicker pace, you can trade what I like to call short-term position trading. Now, position trading is anything that is held over 24 hours. So what you can do is use the weekly as a guide, knowing the weekly is deviated, and then place your trades on your daily chart. Trading your daily. And then we tell you how long you can stay in from deviation to deviation on your daily. You'll have a chance to pull profit on your daily a little bit quicker than you will trading the weekly. 4-hour chart on Steam shows us when the market is actually going to take a breath down. So if you want to enter early or want to exit early, we can use Steam to do that. Trading Steam is considered an aggressive trading. So our three main trading algorithms are very simple. They're the ocean, they are entry candles, blue-green, you'll see red-yellow in a moment, and they are Cobra. Cobra is an entry and exit indicator which keeps the trades a bit longer. So the system was built to help people learn to crawl before they can walk, before they can run. It's not a full-speed, high-out system that makes you jump into trades very quickly. It will take time to learn. Everything has a learning curve. But once you grasp the basic concept, it's very easy. We offer verification algorithms, stops, market force, steam, arrows, and so forth. You'll see more of those as we move to the swing chart. Trading position is one of the easiest forms to learn. It is the slowest way to build an account, but it's one of the safest ways to build an account. When you position trade, it will take time to grow your account, but the ability to sit into a trade that is not really affected by news, it's not really affected by major market announcements. Time is your friend on position. If we see here this move from the lower ocean on 7/21 right up top to about 9/8, all of these were just up candles. These are weeklies. Imagine the news and the economic transactions that happened during these weeks, yet price still shot up. So I don't really worry about news as much unless I'm entering or I'm exiting a trade. If I'm entering a trade, I want to see what news is coming out so I can get the best possible entry. If I exit a trade, I want to see what news is coming out so I can get out before it makes the market move against me and I get back some of my pips. trading position takes time to takes a lot of patience. One thing about most folks is they want to get in, they want to get out. But being able to diversify your trading style from, say, scalp, swing, position, it will allow you to trade many more pairs, especially in Forex and in futures and stocks as well. This will allow you to trade exotics. This will allow you to trade pairs that have higher spreads, because the spread really doesn't affect me on position trading, because I'm looking for long moves down. I'm not looking for quick moves and quick rides where I have to worry about my spread. So position does take discipline. It takes time to stay into a trade. One thing on trading position is you will go negative. You will be in the trade and you will not be in instantaneous profit. There are times that you will go negative 200, 300, 400 pips. That is the way position trading is traded. That's just how Forex works. There are times when I've entered a trade and I have gone in down to maybe 80 pips, but usually it's back up, because in this candle right here, but this is a big move candle. All right, inside this candle, smaller time frames are moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So there's times where you might get in and price moves up a day against you and then turns back down. That's part of trading, position trading. Knowing how to position trade and what to expect will help you when you swing trade. If you get stuck in a trade, if you're swing trading in a certain direction and price stops and reverses on you, and you know you are in the direction of the overall daily time frame, that you're going to have to hold it, that will then pay off for you. But understand, it might take a month to 2 months. It might take time. I mean, if you were trading off this weekly chart alone, entering up on 4/23/2011, riding all the way down to the ocean was turning to 1/7/2012. This is a long time to hold a trade. All right, long time. So trading position takes time. If you have a bigger account where you can trade larger lot size, position works great. If you have a smaller account, you can trade it. It just takes a little longer to grow your account. Next that we offer is the swing trading platform. Swing trading platform is a happy medium. If you want to start out with a little bit more action, swing trading will allow you to do that. We trade the 1 hour and we trade the 15-minute chart using Steam to verify terms and strength in the market moving down. We can see this trade is moving down. We've got a few false piercings, but no average arrow. We never really turned up on market force. And then we have high and low, and we have stealth. High and low tracks volume, shows us change in velocity. Stealth tracks the strength of the push down. So as you consider, or if I said earlier, our major trading indicators, our 313 trade-off of, is very simple. The ocean, Cobra, entry candles, blue, yellow, and red, green. Our candles are smooth. You can see here's a candle and here's price. Price right now is extremely, extremely deviated. All right, you can see the ocean is wanting to go up, yet price is heading down. Now, price continues to push down and push down and push down. The ocean will slowly shift and start turning down again. But we are due for a cycle up. But right now, I have nothing on my verification indicators telling me that. Here's the candle. Here's the price. You can see that these candles are extremely smooth. So when we get these average arrows, we have officially turned. It lets us see there's more room to go up or down. So I am watching right now. Volume is extremely high. We are extremely strong. There's no bulls in sight. And market force is showing us there's in sight. It's actually moving straight down. So this would not be the time, even though we're deviated, this would not be the time to go long. We want to see a break of Cobra. We want the candle to come back, cut the candle, and move back up. Swing trading will be affected by news, which we can see now of being a news release right now. I'm pretty sure this is what that was. You have to push down. Swing trading will be affected when you do trade. News will rock your swing trading charts, because the 1 hour is easily affected by anything that is being released. It's very easy to shift your swing trading chart. You might be set up for a swing right here. Price might come back. Everything shows you we're good to go. It stops and then turns back down because of news forcing your to change, thus making your entry look as if you entered on a downward move at the wrong spot. That is why we want to be in line with a daily, or have the daily at least coming back into into value, coming back into play with the ocean. Remember, daily charts are very strong reads. They're not affected by news. They don't get shifted as much as the 1 hour will. So when you're trading the platform, swing is a happy medium. If you're just starting on Forex, I recommend swing trading because it's a little bit easier. You can pull, there's ways that we show you on our education days of how you can trade multiple pairs and pull multiple pips and add those together to get your required pips for the week. We do focus on 30 pips a day if you're scalping. If you're swing trading position, I focus on 150 pips a week, roughly 600 pips a month, which is easy to get when you actually sit down and trade. So the swing trading chart is one of the easier styles to learn. It's you will have losses on swing trading just because that's the way the market goes. News will turn it in a dime. 1 hour is not a very strong time frame, but we are trading the 1 hour in direction of the daily. So we know where our daily is going. We move to the 1 hour. We want to keep in the same direction. If the daily is due to turn down, you can play aggressive and hop in early, and you can get those extra pips. If you play aggressive, though, it is on you. We offer you to not play, to learn to play safe first, to wait for COVID to break, to wait for a proper setup before you get in the trade. This is the raw chart that we offer. It's the same as you're seeing over here. This ocean is actually the kill zone. So these are just raw candles. We can see we shot straight through. Nice long bear candle moving straight down. So you can see on our chart how the candles differ. So we are looking for price to move back up. Since the ocean has not turned yet, this is actually a pretty solid candle to be outside, looking for it to push back in and pull up. Because the daily ocean is still up, still seeing us some reasons for it to actually move down. So swing trading is a little bit faster, a little bit easier to get a read on a trade. We offer scalping layout. Now, scalp trading platform is the hardest to learn. It is a fast pace. You have to get in, get out. You have to have knowledge of what the trade is doing, knowledge of news, knowledge of anything that might come out during your session. We teach you to trade during sessions, meaning we want you to trade during the either New York session, London Euro session if you can, Asian session. We want you to trade the pairs that you go to those sessions. That's how scalping works. You're looking for momentum, looking for volume here. All right, so last night on the hour, we trade the 1 hour, the 5, and the 1 minute. Basically using the 1 hour as a guide. If the 1 hour is down, we're only going to take shorts on the 5 minute. The 1 minute is just used as a kind of an early warning, a scout, so to speak, that the price is actually moving. We do have people who trade the average arrows in 1 minute and are very successful with it. So we are taking only long, this is 1 hour is going down, which we started at 11 o'clock last night. So we had plenty of good runs down for our scalping. It was there yesterday. We had them. They were there starting at about 8 o'clock. Moving down, you exit on Cobra, you enter again. You exit, you might not have, this might not have been a winning trade. You might have got in right here, and this might have been a very small losing trade. Exit on Cobra. Enter on Cobra, right straight down. Here comes your big trade. Exit on Cobra. The reason you exit on Cobra is you know we're going down. You want to exit because these small breaths up. Price will never go down in a straight line, folks. It's going to zigzag. So we can see that. So we still have our trading algorithms. We have the ocean. We have entry candles, blue, yellow, red, green. We have Cobra. We have high and low, pulse, market force, steam to verify what each time frame is doing. Pulse just shows that the market is pulsing. It's pulsing up. It lets us know. So if we get a break early, we're still pulsing up through here. We can expect a small run. Small breath, and then here's the next run down. Small breath up. Next run straight down, which we've been running down now. Now, would I continue to go short now? No, I would not. Why? I'm deviated. I'm set. As the ocean turns, I'm set to come back up. I'm set to come back in the line with value. So I will watch and make sure that happens before I hop in. So we give you guys three styles of trade: scalp, swing, position. We can't teach you what type of trader you're going to be. That's something you're going to have to learn. If you are a scalper, if you are a position trader, a swing trader, you're going to actually have to learn what type of style you're going to be. We can't teach you that because that's something that You might not like scalping. You might not like swing. You might not like position trading. I learned all three because it helps me greatly in my trading. If I'm stuck in a scalp trade, I can move to a swing and so forth into a position trade. And then if I'm lined up on my position with the monthly, it might be time for me to hold that trade, but I'm taking multiple trades. If I take 2 position trades and I take 3 or 4 swing trades throughout the week, 3 or 4 swing trades next week, and then 4 weeks later, here comes my long-term trade coming into profit. That's 400 or 500 pips I can add to the books. Normally, most average trades on position, if you get stuck, will normally come back down and pay about 300. But if you get stuck, we do teach techniques to where you can double up and hop back in again, and then ride it back down to your initial entry, take profit, and then let it grow even more. So there's tons of techniques you can do with this platform. We can see the turn as it happens. We can see price can go no further. It's coming back up. Can go no further. So margin call is out of the question unless you are just risking more than your account is worth on lot size. If you were getting in too big of a lot, getting stopped out. We have stops on the position chart. I do not use stops on swing because I'm at my desk. I'm watching market. I can see when the market turns. I am margining myself correctly. I have enough on my account to cover any trade that turns against me and goes for a ride. On scalping, I do not use it because I use Cobra as my entry and my exit. So say if I get in right here for a short and I break Cobra, I get out. There's no point to hold. If I hold it, this ride here could turn to a long ride. So just little longer breath here, little breath here. That's how I get out. You can see how price stepped it way down. This was your scalp last night. These were our scalp sessions. Exit, 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 and exit. So one losing trade out of 1, 2, 3, and you've still been a scalp right now as we speak. But since you are deviated, it behooves you once you get this first pierce over here to close that out and call it a day. You did very well. But that's actually a very long scalping session last night. If you came on this morning, it's say 5:45, which is my time. It'd be 3:45 your time. There would be your scalp. Even if you got on at 6:05 this morning, you had opportunity to scalp. It was there. Would this have been risky being so far deviated? Yes, it would, but that's just the nature of scalping. Get in and get out very quick. Scalping will allow you to take fast profits, but you will have most of your losing trades on scalping. The reason I don't scalp is because you tend to overtrade your account. On scalping, you are stuck to really, to my opinion, the Euro USD because it has one of the lowest spreads available. Scalping, you need a very low spread. You don't want to have to wait for price to move 4 or 5 candles just to get to break even. You want to scalp on the Euro USD. It's the most heavily traded pair. It moves in the London, EU, and New York session, especially the London-New York overlap. It really, really will get some movement going. Other pairs you can scalp at the Aussie USD in the evening, even USD JPY. You can scalp those pairs. So we offer you scalping, swing, and position. Once you come on board, you'll train on how to trade this this platform. We do webinars every morning. We do them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we do education. You can come on here and see what type of setups we are looking for and ask questions about the platform. You can ask anything you want to ask about trading the platform, and we will answer them to the best of our ability. It's very easy to learn the system. It's not hard at all. It's not a rule-based system. It's basically a setup. We wait for setup. We wait for things to be verified. If we place rules on a system, rules always are bound to be broken. Having rules on a system means you will wait for this rule and this rule and this rule, but sometimes one rule might not be met and it's a good trade. Sometimes none of them will be met and it's a good trade. Sometimes they'll all be met, it's a bad trade. We don't like to put rules in. So when we're trading, we will teach you guys what we see, how we trade, what we look at, and that's how you learn from the webinar. So once you get the system, you get the manual, you read it, you come on, you watch webinars for a good month, you'll have a very well understanding. We even take it even further. We give you access once you become a client to the social network. The social network is a site which you guys will have access to come on board and to meet other clients who trade the CTT Trading Platform. It's a great place where you can post screenshots, talk about trades. So we offer groups on trading, You can click on groups, and we offer scalp, position, swing. They post screenshots. They post charts. You have a chat room. You've got photos that are constantly being posted on the client's trades, what's going on, notes, and so forth. It's a great site to get on and trade amongst the community. It's better to trade as a group than by yourself. You get more eyes on the market, and you can see what's going on. So it's a very good form of testimonial as well, because anyone in here that trades the platform can say what they want about the platform. So far, we've had nothing bad said about it. Normally, it's just connectivity issues or understanding what's going on with charts and so forth, or questions about, how do you trade, what do you recommend, and so forth. So it's a great community of traders that we have. You can join it once you become a client. You're given access to it. We've got blogs. This is where we keep up what's going on with our trading. It's a great place to be. Here's our scalping group, chat room. So it's a good place to be a member of, to learn about the trading platform. So amongst the social network, as well as the webinars and the guide, your learning curve is cut in half. You can ask us questions. You can ask myself. You can ask Vlad. You can call. We have our office phone open from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can call, ask questions, and get help. You can talk to some of our trading coaches that will teach you what to look for to get you started. Your goal is to demo, is to learn it, and to get out there and trade it every day. Not sit on it and watch it on the webinars every day, but to actually get out there and pull trades, pull triggers, get in the market and get out of the market. Trade, learn how to trade. We then offer you the Traders Lab. This is a link that will come with you that will give you kind of your one-stop shop to what's going on in the Forex market world. We offer economic news. Economic news is very important when trading to keep your eye on what is coming out as far as news release is concerned. You want to be able to know what's coming out. You can see here we have our economic news coming out, Canadian, Euro, and so forth. You can adjust it to your time at the top, set your time zone. You can filter your results on what you want to view, and then you can go through and look. There's many. At once on our education days, I do show multiple sites you can pull economic news from, but we also have it in the Traders Lab as well offered to you. We then offer a market analysis on what is going on, Euro USD, strong sell, JPY, strong sell, neutral, strong buy. It kind of gives you an idea of what's going on around the markets. This isn't for buying or selling to take signals from. It's just giving you what the pros are seeing, what's going on. We offer you FX rates. FX rates, we show you bank exchange rates, indices, currency rates, things that you can kind of just keep an eye on what's going on. These do update in real time. They update on a daily basis. You can see the percent change for the day. You can see exchange rates, world indices, and you can see the bank exchange rates here and where we're at. So it's a pretty good stop to look at. You can see Dukascopy TV. Dukascopy TV is a very good Forex news channel. It's a great news channel. You'll come on, let it load up, push play. It's a great deal to have. You can look on oil. Right now it's going to go over ANZ, iron, oil, and gold, and oil. So it's a pretty good news channel to have on what's going on. Margin calculator, for those of you who are having problems figuring out your margin, we offer that as well. Very easy to use. So the Traders Lab is a good place to do the tools to succeed. That is our goal. If you're not successful, we're not successful. We trade this every day. We're not just someone who made the platform and does not trade it. We trade it for our corporate accounts. We trade it on a daily basis. So it is traded by ourselves and our team. So the platform has multiple outlets successful. It's not a hype platform. We don't try to push it up. We're not using just one time frame. You have to use multiple time frames to see what's going on. It will let you know when the market is turning. We can see that. Banks control Forex markets. They swing it left and right. They swing it up and down. They're constantly moving it because they're playing games amongst each other. Roughly until the late 90s, we as retail traders couldn't trade unless you were a big player, military, government, and so have you. With the platform that we made, this isn't something that was made overnight. This is an adaptable platform. And what I mean is that it will adapt. If the market goes as a curveball, which it will, the market will always change. Our platform will adapt. If we have to update a code, if we have to take away an indicator, add to it, recode it, we'll do it. We're not We don't have big egos on our system saying it's the best one in the world. If we need to change it, we'll change it, because you have to have a platform that adapts to the market. If you had a platform that won in the 80s nonstop because it was in a bull market, and now after 2008, it probably couldn't win a single dime because the market's ranging back. So our platform is adaptable, so it will change. We are coming out on Ninja pretty soon, and we've already updated some of the indicators to be a lot better. It's a two-part system, so you do have your three trading algorithms. You have the Ocean, Cobra, and your entry candles, blue, green, or blue, yellow, red, green. The rest are for verification. You want to verify. The more verification we have, the better it is. Say if I was going into a village, and I was going to attack a village, and I want to know I don't want just a map in one photo. I want as much information. I want to talk to locals. I want in and out routes. I want to know ground shots. I want to see aerial color photos, GPS photos, mountain ranges, high and low areas. I want to see what's going on, the whole picture. We give you the whole picture on the CTT Trading Platform. So if you are trading it and you have an issue, you go to the social network and you talk. People will help you. There are clients we've had that's been with us for a while who are very successful with trading this platform. We cannot monitor that social network, meaning that if you post something bad, we don't go in there and change it. It's free speech. You can post whatever you want to post about the system. So it's a very, very good platform. It's adaptable. We do make changes if needed. It's not just your one-stop, it's not just a locked-in platform. Think if, Ford never did, thought his vehicle was the greatest thing since sliced bread, and he never wanted to adapt it or update it. We will. We're not going to be we're not going to say our platform is the greatest, and it doesn't need to change. Well, the markets are always changing. So if our codes need to be tweaked to keep up, we'll do it. If they got to go, they're going to come out. So it's an always living, to me, it's a living platform. It's always going to be updated to help you guys trade successfully. But having the whole team, it's not just me, it's the entire family. It's a family environment. We are all traders first. I started off as a trader over 6 years ago, and it's been a struggle when I first started because I didn't have anything like this. I literally had to learn how to trade on my own because I lived around nobody who traded. And of course, when you type in making money in Forex, you're going to get the endless sites of just junk platforms or junk programs or junk indicators, which are just recycled indicators. What you see in front of you with our platform is nothing new. We didn't reinvent the wheel. We just made it a lot better. We actually put a lot of thought and time into each algorithm and coded it to work on its respective time frame. Just because you have a certain indicator doesn't mean it's going to work the same on a 15-minute chart and work the same on a 4-hour chart or a daily chart. They're all going to have to be set up and coded for their respective time frames. And that is what we have done. It's about 8 years of building this platform. This doesn't happen overnight. It took time to build it. It took time to really sit down and figure out what was going on. We wanted each time frame to be verified. We wanted each time frame to move in unison. We wanted to be able to see it quickly. We didn't want a lot of math involved. I didn't want to have to sit there and draw out trend lines, fib lines. Even though I do use trend lines on raw charts, I do use pivot points in high and low areas and look for divergence and so forth. But that's just me personally. You don't have to use it, but it helps if you know it. Just because you're diving, you're getting into this lifestyle of being a trader. This is something to me you don't just dabble in. If you're going to do this, do it for real. Just like if you like hunting, or if you like cars, or if you like art, you're going to buy those magazines. You're going to have those videos in your house. You're going to watch the movies. You're going to watch the the YouTube videos. You're going to read the magazines, the books, and so forth for whatever you like. I read a new book probably once a month on trading, just to keep my game tight and to keep me up. I became an MSTA in technical analysis, so to get certified in it, because I wanted to really diverse myself in this market. I really wanted to get in and learn. So it's a great platform. It's a great team of traders. We're a great family. You can call, talk to anybody you want to talk to. We're a growing company. We're going to come out with Ninja here pretty soon. To get our platform over on a larger scale. So now you can not only trade Forex, you can trade stocks and futures and so forth. So it'll be a great tool coming out. We do offer boot camps. The first one was about a month ago. The second one will be November 16th, where you can fly out and meet us in Irvine. We have free food catered to you. It starts at 4 in the morning and goes to about 1 or 2. You can then talk to us afterwards. I know Vlad likes to talk to everybody that comes out. and see the platform in detail. We do take trades in that boot camp together. We learn. I will teach you guys about more than just taking the trade. We kind of teach you guys about money management, which is really what it comes down to. There's really no secret in trading anything. There's no secret system. There's no secret magic key. It just comes down to what works for you, a good system, and your ability to manage your money very well, to cut your losses short and let your profits run. That's what we teach you guys. And there's tricks and techniques we show you on how to grow accounts and so forth. So the boot camps are very good to have. It's a good chance to meet other traders and see how they're trading the platform. See what do you trade? What do you look at? How do you trade it? So it's a good deal to have. We do offer seminars for those who are brand new. We haven't had one in quite a while, but that's where you can come out for a 2-day event to kind of see the platform, find out what we're all about. It's free to attend. But we offer multiple avenues to get you guys up to par, up to speed where we are at. We have people that trade this that do all walks of life. You don't have to be a mathematician. You don't have to be brought up in Wall Street or have, an idea. It's a very easy system. It's color coordinated. It's very easy to read what is going on instead of drawing out your counts and your harmonics and so forth. So it's a very easy system to learn. You will have losing trades. That happens with everybody. I talked to a friend of mine, and he's like, well, I think my winning streak is over. And I said, well, you had 8 winning trades in a row. That's pretty good. So, one losing trade is okay. It's not gonna hurt you as long as you don't let it be, a massive losing trade. So the platform itself was built for traders. We're all traders. We trade every day if we can. I know the guys in the corporate desk trade every day. Vlad trades. He scalps the Euro London session. I'll trade swing in position when I have time. To traders that have been busy getting these codes knocked out of Ninja, because I'm excited to have that come out and get released. So I've been putting in extra work on that. But it's a system that we all trade. Even our executive administrator trades. She trades as well. So it's a great family that when you come on board, you're not going to be given a system and then given a phone number, and you call a number and you're speaking to somebody over in some foreign country, that doesn't know what's going on, doesn't know about the platform. You'll be speaking to the actual trading desk when you call. So it's a great system. We offer you many tools to help you succeed, but you have to want to do it. Now, trading currency and trading in general is not for everyone. The reason why I chose Forex in the beginning is because when you first come on board, Forex is kind of everything wrapped in one. Your platform, your broker, your data feed, all that stuff is in one stop. You don't pay for data feed. It's all there. It comes from your broker. You can open an account with just $500 because you can trade mini lots. You can trade tiny. You don't have to have any margin. You can trade. I can trade 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. I'm not restricted to holding any extra margin for trading over a certain period. The market never closes. It's always moving, and it's very transparent. Unlike stock, when you don't know about a company, you think, oh, it's a great company, and the next day you see the company just getting sold off and CFO in handcuffs. I mean, look at Enron. Forex is very transparent, and and I'm not stuck to the U.S. economy. I'm not putting my money on the economy. If the U.S. economy fails, we're making money in Forex. We're going to go with the euro. We're going to go with the pound, the dollar, the franc. We're going to go with the Aussie dollar. We're going to go with another pair that's going against the dollar. So we're not stuck, trading just the things that the U.S. economy has to do well. So Forex, it gave me more options. I didn't have to worry about starting an account with $10,000 for a broker, then going and paying another $1,000 plus for a charting software, then going and paying another fee for a data provider fee. It was all, and then having to have money just to hold a trade. It was all there for me. That's why I stuck with Forex. Now, we are moving and learning futures and stocks and offering that because it's worldwide. I mean, to have a platform that can do all that is what our goal is. So if you are just starting out, Forex is, to me, is very easy to learn. It's a very volatile market. I mean, it blows away most futures, most all futures and all stock because it moves. I mean, you're always moving in Forex. But once you learn Forex, moving the stocks, moving the futures, if you don't trade it, will be a little bit easier because of the way they respect technical levels a lot more than Forex does. And it's just learning the lingo once you move over, learning how it's traded. Forex is traded in pips. We focus on pips. Once you make pips, money will follow. We want to teach you to be a professional trader. We don't want to teach you just to get on, place a few trades, and then you're done. We want you guys to learn how to trade professionally, how to become consistent day in and day out. It might take you a month, it might take you 2 months, it might take you a year, but we're not going anywhere. You're here with us. So if you're successful, we are successful. If you're failing, let us know, and we will walk you through. So the platform was built by traders for traders. It's not going anywhere. We run it on a cloud because it allows you to trade anywhere in the world that has internet access. You're not stuck to your home desktop or laptop. You can log on and trade anywhere. We are going to be releasing it on Ninja very, very, very soon. So that will be the platform of choice that we'll be moving over to. So our presentations will be in Ninja Trader. Everything's the same. It's just modified theme. We've modified market force high low itself to make them a lot better. We can do a little bit more Ninja than we can do in FXCM TradeStation. So that'll be coming out very, very soon. We will do a release on that, an announcement on when that will be, but it's coming. The boot camp will be November 16th. So if you can't attend it, please do attend. You can learn a lot at the boot camp and really break down the system very well. So if you can be out there, please come. If not, no worries. We do the webinar every day. Webinars will be now being posted on YouTube and our Facebook page. So you can find us on Facebook, Catch the Turn, like us. We post on Facebook, we post on Twitter, follow us on Twitter. The more you follow, the more information you're going to get. So it is a very well built system. Albeit a lot of thought has gone into this system. It wasn't something that happened very quick overnight. So the platform will teach you guys a lot on how to trade. We want to really see, what is going on. It's a good system to really define what's going on in the market. So I'm looking forward to getting on there with the futures. I'm looking forward to doing the E-mini. I'm looking forward to doing stocks and seeing that. So it'd be a good change of pace moving from currency. So I'll catch you guys for half an hour. This has been a presentation on what we can do to help you out. If you're interested on the platform, I'm going to give you our desk number. You guys can call. We do offer you a trial. You can try us out, see what you think. Play with the platform. If you like it, good. If you don't, no problem. It's not for everyone. Trading's not for everybody. I've had people that I've spent time and time with it just couldn't get it, regardless of the system they had. And it's just not for everybody. But I'm going to post a number right now, and this is our desk number. You guys can call. And call, ask them, they'll get you hooked up. When I close the webinar, we do go to the website, and you can sign up for a free trial. We're getting our manual put back on the site. Our site is going to be going through some changes, so a few things might be down, but we try to keep a tight grip on that. So any questions today before I let you guys get back to your work day and get on to trading? Today was just a short presentation. Tuesdays, we go over what we're about. Tomorrow, I'm going to go back more into education on the system. Yes, the money room. We offer the money room for those who are clients with the system and are live. The goal of the money room is to get people over the. Some people. We had one individual who demoed forever and would never go live. They're just too nervous. So the money room is a place that if you are live and you are a current client, you can sign up and you can come trade with us. I'm starting to send email blasts out on swing and position setups. We're getting that taken care of. Vlad scalps the London session. That's where most of the action is. Starting at 11:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, they log on and they trade for 3 or 4 hours, looking for about 1 or 2 trades. See what the market gives us. If the market doesn't give us a trade, we don't trade. If it gives us a trade, then of course we'll take the trade. But the money room is to get you over the fear of trading live. It's to kind of trade as a collective whole. It's where we come in, share ideas, and we get in trades quick. It's not an education. It's not about what's going on. It's about just getting in there, looking for scalp, like we see here, scalp setups and scalping and getting those pips and getting off and going to bed. So the money room is another tool we offer you guys as well. So yes, it's 11:30 p.m. time. So any questions? I know we got a few new people on here. I know Ross, I know you got hooked up with your platform. I know Stephen was got an email last night to build it for you. And then once you get that, just trade, ask questions, call the desk. They'll definitely help you out. It takes about usually 24 to 48 hours to build a platform, because these platforms aren't built. They're actually built by hand. We have specific instructions on how to build these platforms in your own server. So we build them. Each time frame is built. Each indicator is added and set up correctly, and then tested out and then sent to you. So you'll be getting the email is pretty long. Read your email. It has a lot of good information in it. So make sure you read what's going on that email to get you started. A little confusing because we do things different on the cloud, but not that hard once you get the hang of it. So let's see. The money room no, the money room is chat. It's straight up just like you're chatting. It's we kind of have a codes we kind of talk by as far as entering trades. We to keep everything quick and short, but it's a huge chat room that you can see who's on there, talk to other members who are in there, and we all have the same platform. So we're watching for setups, and yeah, we chat. It'd be nice to have audio or have a webinar version, but that takes a little more time to get that programmed. See, that's all chat based. Real quick, get in, get out, make your pips. So Rich Collins, I saw you raise your hand. You got a question here. Can you hear me, Rich? Let's see if you can have your headphones on. So you raise your hand there. But the webinars are done every morning. We wake up and do a webinar just to take the dedication to do this every morning, to keep you guys on what's going on. Because I used to hate seeing systems that I would come on board and see a system and it would look great. But the last time anything was done on it was maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and that kind of a red flag on, well, are they still around? Does the system work anymore? What's going on? Back when I used to look for systems, so we do one every day. We're current. I mean, it's 10/23, 2012, and we're going to keep doing them every day. So eventually we'll have over 500 plus YouTube videos, half hour to 2 hours long. So you give you guys plenty of YouTube watching time. But no more questions. I'm going to go ahead and hop off today. I want to keep this a short presentation on what we're going on and what we are, what we're about. For those of you who are current clients, thank you for coming today. Just getting a recap. If you are new, thank you for coming and watching. Call the number, talk to our trading desk, and get hooked up. If not, they'll get you set up good. For those of you who had to have the platform, your scalps were there last night. Your swing was there last night. I actually had 3 trades on 3 different pairs last night, so they were there. It just I hope you guys caught them. They were right here at 11 o'clock was your swing on the USD CHF, was the complete opposite swing. The Euro JPY was the complete same trade swing. So you had the ability to pull probably, I'd say 80 pips easy. So the trades were there. Just hop out there, keep scanning, and keep looking. I will be on same time tomorrow morning for our normal 1 hour education session, and then we will continue to trade. So hop out there, and if you got the platform trade, if you're brand new, your platform's coming. Look forward to having you on board, and I will see you guys tomorrow. When I get off here, you guys will go to the actual site if you are new to sign up. But yeah, have a good day to you, Petty. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.